Hi, my name's Tim Kirk. I'm the owner of Tulsa Power Sports and Outdoors in Sapulpa, Oklahoma. I just want to be able to show everybody our store today and give an example of some great things that we've got going on and let you know what we sell out here. So we're a Polaris dealership, we're a Can-Am off-road dealership, we're Kawasaki's newest dealership in Oklahoma, and we're a full lineup of Kawasaki. So we've got street bikes, dirt bikes, side-by-sides, and watercraft. We've got Steel Horse motorcycles, which is an amazing eclectic brand that we've got here at our own store, and we carry some beautiful bikes, Harleys, Indians, Yamahas, Kawasaki's, just any kind of a used motorcycle that you could imagine. And we became Mahindra Tractor's fastest growing dealership in Oklahoma, and a new product that we brought in that we're so excited about are Sanger boats. They're a surf boat, ski boat company out of Monterey, California, and they are absolutely amazing. As a matter of fact, we're sold out of them right now. So come on down and let me show you what we've got. And something that we're so proud of with Tulsa Power Sports and Outdoors, our service department. We've got the most amazing team of technicians here that work tirelessly day in and day out. And they've got a 5,000 square foot shop with air conditioning. And look at the lifts, motorcycle lifts. We work on side-by-sides, watercraft, soon to be boats, and Mahindra tractors. And we've got to have an excellent place to work out of for our employees. And we feel like we've got it here at Tulsa Power Sports and Outdoors.